हेलो, मैं हूँ पूर्वी मारू और आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरी चैनल फूड हेल्थ एंड एक्यूप्रेशर में। Today we'll be talking about acupressure points for any kind of allergy. So now let us know about acupressure points. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also watch these videos. And if you want to join our Telegram group or WhatsApp group, then do click on the link in the description box. And over here you can see this is my Instagram page. You can also go and follow this page. On this page we share many acupressure related posts. Do check it out. So we will be discussing a single acupressure point today. Our acupressure point is on the back side of our hand, on the middle finger. See, you can see the second joint of the middle finger. Just above that joint towards small finger is this point. On the second joint of the middle finger, just above this joint line, towards small finger is this point. This point is called as UB55, urinary bladder meridian's 55th point. So on this point, what you will do with the help of a jimmy, you will press this point properly for 1 to 2 minutes. And then after that, we will apply a magnet on that point. For magnet therapy, we will take a tonification sedation magnets. If you are not having these magnets and if you want to buy them, then I have made a basic acupressure kit in which all these jimmies, magnets and all these things which we use in acupressure are included in that kit. I have also made a video on it. Do check it out. I'll share the link in the description box. So we'll take a piece of paper tape and on this we'll apply one tonification sedation magnet in such a way that the white side of the magnet will touch the skin and from the outside you can see the yellow side of the magnet. Okay, so that means that we need to reduce the energy of this point. So we'll apply one bowl magnet on this point properly. Similarly, you will do this treatment on the other hand also, as this point is bilateral. That means you need to do it on both the hands. Whenever you will apply a magnet, you need to apply it for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you will remove it, you need to throw the paper tape away and bring both the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and you can use it again. Magnets do not expire and they can be used for lifetime. So do this treatment daily, you will definitely find the result. So that's all for today. If you found my video good, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.